Alright, I'm back at home. Basically, I went on Soul Pot, gambled, and I made $13. So I'm about to take that $13 that I made from $5, add it to my trading account. That's gonna boost up my buying power, and that's my strategy right now. I'm just gambling with Soul Pot, trading the stock market, just trying to accumulate as much money as I can so I can get past that 25,000 PDT rule so I can day trade. Once I make my first 25,000, I'll be able to day trade as much as I want, and I have access to Forex and futures if I want to trade those. So stock that I took a put contract on, where I sold a put option contract, it dropped below 150 earlier today. It dropped to like 142, and it has to stay above 150 for me to keep the premium, or I'm gonna buy the shares, which is fine either way. Hopefully I can buy the shares and it shoots back up to like 160 and I can make even more money. That's my goal. But as of right now, I'm about to go to sleep tomorrow. I got something to do. I gotta go get an oil change on a car. And yeah, so we just made some money today. I'm feeling kind of good. And yeah, we're gonna see what tomorrow holds. Option contract update. Today my option contract is above my strike price, so I'm really up $2 and like 34 cents. But if I hold the contract into expiration, I'll be $8.35. So next week, hopefully it stays above 150. I'll be able to collect the premium and the contract will expire worthless. It did drop below my strike price this week, but 150 seems to be a good support for the plug stock that I'm trading options with. I did just win some money with Soul Pot, so I'm waiting for that money to deposit into my account, and then I'm gonna put that money into my trading account, and then we can go from there. But I think I might take a walk today. I already ate today, and yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do today. Another mundane vlog. This week is kind of crazy because I gotta wait a whole nother week to see if I make this money, but at the same time it's like I'm buying the shares at 141 versus 150, so it's all good. If it stays above 141, I'm still in profit, but I really want it to stay above 150 for the next week, because this week's pretty much almost over, and I really don't got much to worry about for this week because it's sitting at 162, and by Friday I think the stock will stay above 150. Hey, what's up guys? I just sold my plug stock option put contract. I sold it for $4, so I got a credit of $8.35, and I sold I bought back the put for $4.01. So I'm up about $4.25 for the week. I could have held it into next week and made another $4, but I don't know what the stock's gonna do, and I'm really trying to trade options on a weekly basis. Not really trying to hold it for more than a week, but the price shot up and you can buy them back for $4, so I did. Yeah. The first week that I traded options, I made $2, and then the second week, which is this week, I made $4. So I doubled what I made the first week. Next week, we're gonna see what is available to trade. I'll be trying to find a pair of stock to sell a put on, and I'm hoping to make at least $4 to $5. If anything, make $3. Trying to be over $2 every week. If it has to be $2, then I do $2. But I'm trying to make at least 3 to 4 every week with my small account. My account balance right now is $181. I just deposited another $20 in my account from the money that I made from Soul Pot gambling. So that's good. I could take this $4 and try to gamble with it, but I'm not even learn. I'm gonna wait till I get a little extra money, the money that I'm willing to lose, and then I'm gonna try to gamble again and add some more money to my trading account. But as of right now, the week is good. We made $4 this week trading. I'm a profitable trader right now. Alright, so I just made a huge mistake. I just opened up a put contract on SNDL for August 25th. I thought it was July 25th, but it was August 25th. So I'm into another 2-week contract. So hopefully we can hopefully we can buy back this contract for a way cheaper price than what I initially sold it for. I sold it for $9.09, so I got another $8.35, and we have to make sure the stock stays above $1.50 for the next 2 weeks, and essentially, well, really 3 weeks, because this week not even over. So essentially, I'm hopefully this stock shoots up to about $1.70, $1.80, so I can sell it for about 4.04 and then make another $4 for the week. But yeah, I just entered another option contract. I thought that they were selling it for next week for 9, but it's actually 2 weeks out that they're selling it for 9. So yeah, I didn't really want to say locked in for 2 weeks, but it's fine because I still got I still got $30 to play with. I can go invest into some other stocks, and then you know what I'm saying, dollar cost average into another stock. I might even use it. I might even go full port on this one stock, dollar cost average into this one stock, because my money settles. My money's gonna settle next week, next Thursday. So I might dollar cost average into this stock just to have money put in, so when it does actually shoot back up, I'll make even more money. But I just opened up another option contract, so if we wait till August, let me see when my thing is. I think it's August 25th. Wait, that's a month away. Holy shit. That is a month away. 15th to the 25th. Hold on. Holy shit. I'm not even sure what that is. I don't know when this expires. The 15th to the 25th. That's like 3 weeks away. I just completely messed up. I just sold a contract for $9 for a whole month. I'm making $8 for a whole month. That was not a good deal at all. That was the most stupidest thing I could have ever done. Now I have to stay locked into this contract for a whole month unless I buy it back. It was going for $15 now. It's even higher than what I paid for. It's like seconds later. Damn, that's some bullshit. I'm in this for way too long. That means if it's $8 for a whole month, I'm making $2 every week. Damn, that's not bad, but at the same time my money's locked up. I'm gonna have to add some more money to my account so I can do more options. I'm probably gonna have to add another $150 to my account, because honestly, I don't see me sitting in this position for a whole month. If I can buy back this contract for $2, I'm buying it back for $2. If it goes to, since I bought it at $9, if it goes to $5, I can buy it back for $5. I'm selling it, because this is a stupid position. I could have stayed in plug. I could have got in plug for August 1st for the same price. I could have stayed in plug for that price. Damn, that was really stupid. If I would have went with plug, I could have made way more. So, damn, that was a stupid decision. I really should be paying attention to my expiration date because I wasn't looking at that when I opened up that contract. So now I'm locked in for a month for $2 a week. $2 a week for a month. I don't think that's good gains. Damn, that sucks. So I guess the only thing I can do now is to just full port the whole portfolio into this one stock and just hope it doesn't go against me. Crazy part about this is I only wanted to trade weekly put options. But now it went from 2 weeks to a month because I just wasn't checking the expiration date and I wasn't looking at the right information. Live and you learn. So we own SNDL for a whole month. Got a contract for a whole month. It has to stay above $1.50. So I'm gonna add another $1.50 to my account so I can trade other options in the meantime. And then hopefully I just keep the money that I made from this. I like these options. They pay good. So far I made $6 in profit. So that's, I made a couple shares. If I'm doing 150, I made about 3 shares in option contracts. Not too bad. My account's sitting at 179 right now. I'm actually losing money. Kind of crazy. My position equity is at 189. So I'm up and down at the same time. Man, I can't believe I gotta hold the stock for a whole month, bro. Kind of sucks. I think I made a stupid decision. To be honest, I should not have opened this contract. I could have got it for way less. I could have got it for way more. First off, as soon as I opened it up for 0.09, it shot up to 0.014. So I could have sold it for 0.014, made $13 versus making $8. So that kind of sucks. And the price is coming down. So that's not good either. So this stock might have me locked into a position for like a minute. So we're gonna see what happens in the next couple weeks. I'm gonna deposit more money into my account and go open up another contract somewhere else. But we're locked in for a month, and I think this was a very stupid position to put myself into. I need to pay attention. Now I know I need to pay attention to the expiration. See what the expiration is, because I gotta wait till August 15th, which is a month away, which I don't like at all.